What's up, guys? All right, so I'm trying to get some stuff done here. So I accidentally broke part of this on the Volkswagen when I pulled it out of here. These are really hard to get out, and I couldn't find any information that shows you need to, release this. It doesn't really release. So basically, it's not a push tab. It's designed to snap in, and it ain't really designed to come out. And so this piece here kind of goes in like that, and so we should be okay. So that will sit in there like a, looks like I broke a piece off over here too. I don't know what it would have been. So anyway, what we're doing is replacing the broken switch. I get a couple of these from the junkyard. We're gonna use this one as the cleanest looking one, made in Italy. So I've tested them all. These, to release them, it's easiest to just put a little screwdriver in here. So the back two go in like that. Boom. It's in there. So then put the rest of it back together. I also broke that piece, which is a little piece right here. So be really careful when you pull these out. Otherwise you'll be sorry. And there is no videos on the two-door Golf or Passat. I guess it would be a Golf Mark 5. So this is for a Golf or not, I'm sorry, I said Passat, I meant Rabbit. So this is a two-door Rabbit. So the other ones, they look similar, but you undo something else over here. So this is a Rabbit, a 2.5 Rabbit. So it would be like your Golf Mark 5, I think. So I hope this helps if anybody is trying to figure this out. Thanks for watching. So another thing too, you see what happened here. So just be careful. I don't have any way of fixing this. And I've already been to the junkyard. They don't have any of these here. So pretty hard to find. This sucks because it's a snag point. I was able to probably take like some glue or something, or maybe, I don't know. It's sharp. I'll just file it or something. It's too bad. Yeah, it didn't want to come out, and I don't know. But my switch works now. So, thanks for watching.